Yeah, we need to find a better name for it than that. I may have some in these boxes. I don't know. And he starts opening more crates. What does it look like again?
They're weirdly tall. They have lots of leaves, pointed leaves growing out the top, and they have kind of like a.
What is a
Weird.
leaf?
Like flat stalks.
Flat stalks. I don't. Any paper?
Draw it for you.
Okay, yes, I have a little bit of paper here. And
And
he gets you a bit of paper and a bit of charcoal.
Pineapple is tall. I get what you mean, but
Well,
it's one of the taller fruits.
that's the marketing campaign right there in Gracklstug on the posters. Pineapple is one of the taller fruits.
it's like cream, but creamier. It's like fruits, but
Yeah.
taller.
it's like leeemons, but taller and not so sour.
Just wanna. Oh, I draw a great pineapple.
Oh, okay, yeah, it's a brilliant thing, and he's looking at this picture and with fascination and wonder at such a strange. And where do the spores come out?
Spores?
Yes, the spores.
No, there are no spores.
How does that work?
How do
Like-
spores work?
Well, they kind of they like spaff them, I think is the word. They spaff them, and then they settle, and then they themselves grow into more fungus, and which they themselves then all spaff, and then so is the circle of life. It
And
is
so
forever spaffing.
It sounds so uncivilized when you say it that way.
I love the word spaff.
I love spaff as well.
Maybe why I included it.
Probably not the way I
It's
should have phrased
broken.
it.
No, it's such a good
This
word.
this is a clip right here.